Alright, we got a little project here. Step one is take a wire brush and just kind of loosen up some of this rust, some of the dirt. As you can see, we have a good amount over here. So just trying to get some of the surface rust. It's actually doing a pretty good job right there. Alright, so we did our first plate. We're gonna rinse it off a little bit. It actually looks pretty good, honestly. So just kind of rinse it off. It actually looks a lot better. There's still some surface rust. Hopefully once we soak it, it'll be a little better. Next step, pour some vinegar. All over. Set that one like that. So next we're gonna just take a little steel wool and just scrub some of these other little spots here. Just make sure spray it and move, spray and move. Look outside, watch where the wind is blowing. Alright, so a little added tip here, you can get some paint markers, hardware store as well. Shake it up a little bit and go to town. Alright, so we did the white on black, and I did 2 coats of those. I think they're actually looking pretty nice. So we're going to do an added touch here. We're going to add a little bit of a clear coat to it. So hopefully it'll protect the plates a little longer and the paint a little longer. And we'll see. Alright, should give a nice shine too. We'll see. Alright, so overall I think it's looking pretty good. I'm going to give you guys a couple tips. Do it outdoors or in a space that's ventilated. You know, you got fans on, you got things like that going. Do it in a place where if you get some paint on some stuff, might not be too bad, you know. And I wore some plastic gloves because if you get spray paint on your fingers, this stuff takes forever to come off. So a couple of tips there. So alright, so here's the finished product. It's got a nice shine to it, you can tell. That's the clear coat, and you can touch it, nothing comes off.